During today's weekly COVID-19 briefing, city leaders praised the community for doing its part in bringing those numbers down. Our neighbors in New Mexico are also seeing a downward trend of new case numbers, even though much of that state is still under tight restrictions. ABC 7's Morgan Durden has the story.
Experts say washing our hands, social distancing, and giving out the COVID-19 vaccine has gotten our 25-county region back down to under a 15% hospitalization rate. Jared Miller, Amarillo's city manager, pointed out the area's positive COVID-19 numbers have trended down since December 11th, the day the mask mandate went into effect.
There's a direct correlation between when we became much more diligent in wearing face coverings and when our numbers started trending down. Once we started that downward trend was almost virtually uninterrupted.
The problem with that is the city's ordinance regarding businesses requiring customers to wear face coverings will no longer be in effect. We are seeing some optimistic numbers regarding COVID-19. However, we just got under the high hospitalization mark. It sounds like the hospitals here are finally catching a break, and now they are losing the state nurses. Is there a concern if we start to reopen, our hospitalization rate will go back up?
Absolutely. I think that's been the message across all the people here today is we cannot let our guard down. I mean, the reason we got here was because of a lot of what we've been doing. And if we stop doing the mask, we stop doing the social distancing, we're going to go right back up.
The state of New Mexico has been following tight COVID-19 restrictions. Gatherings are limited to 5 people, and out-of-state visitors must quarantine for 14 days after arriving. Since a surge of COVID-19 cases around Thanksgiving and Christmas, the state has seen a continuous decrease in new COVID-19 cases. Harding County moved to level green, and Union County has gone to yellow. Dr. David Scrace, New Mexico Cabinet Secretary for the Health and Human Services Department, says this shows the effects of the vaccine.
We got an average of 584 cases today, and we're vaccinating almost 9,000 people a day. I'm not good at sports analogies, but this feels like the beginning of a fourth quarter comeback.
6 other counties are in level yellow. The rest are in level red. Reporting for ABC 7 News in Amarillo, I'm Morgan Durden.
Now, New Mexico restaurants in those level yellow counties can operate at 25% capacity for indoor dining, and essential retail businesses can open at 33% maximum occupancy.